One day while scrolling YouTube Shorts, I came across this page making shorts and getting millions of views just by posting random facts. And I found out this page makes around $24,000 per month with faceless YouTube Shorts. That got me thinking, how hard will it be to make these kinds of videos and start my own YouTube channel? It was not that hard. Let me show you how to make 100 YouTube Shorts similar to these. I am not going to make shorts with similar facts though. I will select a different niche to work with. Let me show you. First, we will go to the savior which helps me with all my life problems, Chat GPT. Oops, that wasn't for you guys to see. Let's ask Chat GPT for the niche. Fascinating food facts seems fun for people to read, so I will go with it. But you can go with any of the niche you prefer. Now ask ChatGPT to generate facts about your selected niche. Give the command with explaining in what ways you want ChatGPT to give you the facts. I will be explaining and will give few examples as well. I will ask it to generate facts in two parts, where first part intrigue audience to know the second part. And for you guys, I will share the commands in the description, and you can copy just like you copy in every exam. I was satisfied, so I asked for 50 more facts, but since ChatGPT is not my good friend, it says it will only provide 30 facts at a time. Now ask ChatGPT to write it in table form. Perfect. Now ask ChatGPT to give more but different facts till you get the desired amount. I will ask GPT 3 more times till I get 100 facts. Always thank ChatGPT after your work is done. This is to be in the good books of AI. It will be helpful when the AI takes over the world. Now copy all the tables from ChatGPT and paste them into the Excel sheet. I had a very long second part in some of the facts, so I quickly edited to make it shorter. Next, let's head to Canva.com to create our shorts. Go to mobile video. Here on left tab, you will find many templates to choose from, just like my ex had many options. Select the template you want to go with according to your content. I will search quotes and select one of the templates. I had already selected a template earlier, so I will go with that one. We will match the quote style with the channel we saw before. On top, we will have the title such as Food Fact, Cuisine Fact, or Drink Fact. At the center, we will have our fact, which will be divided into two parts, Part 1 and Part 2. Our fact is not visible properly, so we will add background behind text so that it is easy to read. I will also add little outline on title to make it look pretty. And at bottom, we will have the channel name. This will work as a watermark for our short. No one can steal our work without permission. Usually in these videos, the first part of the fact is on screen for 80% of the length and second part is shown for 20%. This is because if people miss the second part, they will have to re-watch the video, which will help with your YouTube stats, and YouTube will push your videos to a lot more people. We will keep our shorts length to 11 seconds, in which first part will be shown for 8 seconds, then a pause for 1 second, and lastly, our second part for 2 seconds. Right-click on Part 1 and click on Show Timings. Drag it so that it is of 8 seconds. Now do same thing with Part 2 and make it for 2 seconds. Make sure to have a gap of 1 second between them. I don't want any animation on text, so I will remove it. Here is the template of our shorts. Now for the magical part. We are going to insert the facts which we got from our mate ChatGPT in our videos with just a few clicks. In the left bar, go to Apps and search for Bulk Creates. Select Enter Data manually and then Clear Table. Now open the sheets where you pasted all the facts. Fill in the header and paste first 20 facts. I am selecting only 20 for now and will tell you the reason later. Now click on Done. Next, we want to connect our data to correct part of our video. For that, right-click on the text in our video and click Connect Data and connect correct part with each other. This part is going to be the topic. This will be our first part. And this will be our second part. Now we will drag our second part to center of the page. Our facts will not overlap because of different timings. We will have a purple check mark on all the data on left. It means we are good to go. Now click Continue, and then on Generate 20 pages. Voila! We now have 20 YouTube Shorts with different facts. The only downside is that they all have same background. There are two ways which can help you with this. First is do it manually. In left tab, go to Elements and search for the desired background such as nature. Select the video and click on 3 dots and select Replace as Background. That is going to take a lot of time and efforts, and I am not going to do it for all 100 shorts. And I don't want all of my shorts to have different backgrounds either. This brings us to our second way, because of which I selected only 20 facts from the data we have. Go to Previous tab, and in Elements, choose the desired video you want and set it as a background. Please note that the timings of the short will change to the time of the background video which you selected, so make sure to adjust it to the desired length. Now, just like before, go to Bulk Create and choose the next 20 facts. Paste it and click Generate. With this, you will get next 20 shorts in different background. Now all you have to do is repeat the steps a few more times, replacing background each time. This way you will have 100 shorts in 5 different backgrounds. You can use the math and Pythagoras theorem to get the numbers of background you want. To download, click on Share and then Download. Make sure that you select Download all pages as separate file and then click Download. Here you have it, folks, 100 shorts ready to be uploaded. Let me know in comments section what I should do with all these shorts. That's it for today, guys. Hope you liked this video and understood the process. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and comment below what AI hacks you want to learn. See you in the next video.